Hello everyone, Jennie Rayment, and today I'm going to bring you how to do tumbling blocks with no Y seams. It's a really easy technique. It's a strip technique and you can use it in a variety of different ways. I've only done a small amount here, but I have used it in other places that I'll show you in just a moment. Let me put that to one side and show you a different colourway. There it is done with different colours. There's a little bit more of it. When you've got enough made for whatever you're going to use, say this piece could be a panel for a cushion cover, this piece is a panel for the back of one of my trees, and you can see I muddled the colours up because I didn't actually want tumbling blocks. What I wanted was the effect.